Kat here with Catalyst Wellness. Today we're busting some myths on testosterone for women. Even though testosterone is widely known as a male hormone, it is a critically important hormone for women as it plays a crucial role in the physical and emotional health of women. There are receptors throughout the body, and testosterone affects practically every tissue. It can help with so many aspects of health and overall well-being. Testosterone is produced both in the ovaries and adrenal glands of women and is an important hormone for normal female sexual development. As women age, they decrease in testosterone production. One of the side effects of this is a loss in their libido and sexual responsiveness. While not many women are vocal about this, it is a common complaint we hear, and most women don't address the issue because 1, they don't think there's anything they can do about it, and 2, it's not something they really want to talk about openly. So what does having low or no libido look like? You may not experience any sexual thoughts or fantasies, feel disinterested in sex, lose interest during sex, have a hard time reaching orgasm, and may even try to avoid sex altogether. Replenishment of testosterone in women contributes to the enhancement of your sexual drive. Another thing that many women do not realize is that testosterone helps to improve their skin. As women age, our skin becomes more prone to experiencing dryness, wrinkles, and paleness as a result of natural cellular aging processes. The natural decrease in hormone contributes to the deterioration of skin health. When a hormonal imbalance of testosterone appears in the body, the skin is adversely affected. One of the key hormones when it comes to skin to prevent thinning and wrinkles and to increase collagen elasticity is in fact testosterone. So what else can testosterone help with in women? Are you experiencing debilitating fatigue and mood changes like depression and anxiety? Low testosterone is often mistaken for depression or high stress. Increased testosterone can help you feel more energetic and may boost your mood for everyday life. Lastly, low testosterone in women is associated with weaker bones, low muscle mass, muscle weaknesses, and more belly fat, which typically correlates to metabolic issues. The replenishment of testosterone in women contributes to the strengthening of bone and prevention of osteoporosis. It improves your muscles, bones, tendons, joints, and fat distribution. As you can see, a small amount of replacement testosterone in women can make all the difference. Give us a call if you suffer from any of these symptoms. We are here to answer any questions and are excited to help you on your health and wellness journey.